Welcome to the shores of the Chukchi Sea, north of the Alaskan Peninsula and above the Arctic Circle. Today we're going to tour this deserted beached landing craft. This boat was grounded near an Alaskan village years ago. I personally think the artwork adds to the character of this decaying craft. This landing craft started its life as a military transport and likely saw action on several foreign coasts. It was retired from the armed services and sold to a private company where it was used to transport goods between ports. I'm no sea captain, but I'm willing to guess that this little boo-boo occurred on the boat's final voyage. Since boats don't generally drive around in reverse, I would guess someone rammed into them. Don't stop there. This hatch likely goes to the engine room. Don't step here either. It's negative 25 degrees Fahrenheit here today, and it looks like it in here. The deck of this boat is huge. There's plenty of evidence of the seawater slowly reclaiming this boat back to the earth. A view from the wheelhouse. That doesn't look quite right. The Chukchi Sea. couple quarts oiled, and this will probably start right up. Thanks for joining me on this tour. And don't forget to subscribe.